Hi, I'm Megan, working with horticulture.co.uk, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to grow Pinguicula. Pinguicula, or more commonly referred to as butterworts, are one of the most widespread carnivorous plants. They draw people in due to their vibrant flowers and foliage. These plants capture smaller insects such as fruit flies and gnats, and they capture these through small little glands that are found on their leaves. In this video I'll be talking about two types of Pinguicula which are more commonly grown. This is cold temperate Pinguicula and Mexican Pinguicula. Cold temperate Pinguicula, such as Pinguicula grandiflora, as shown in my bog barrel here, are very hardy Pinguiculas which are Irish native and can survive our UK winters very well. These are the perfect candidates for outside growing or growing within a greenhouse, and can be grown amongst your Sarracenias and Venus flytraps in boggy-like conditions with full sun. These beautiful plants grow very large in size and capture all the small insects which your other carnivorous plants may not pick up on, as seen by the small flies and gnats which are stuck to these plants here. Mexican Pinguicula, on the other hand, which originate from Mexico as suggested by their name, are less hardy than the cold temperate Pinguicula. These are the perfect candidates to be grown amongst your houseplants at home. These plants require less watering, less direct light and more of a free draining media. These media mixes can be wide in range and can include anything with free draining components such as sand, grit, vermiculite and perlite. They could also be mounted straight onto lava rocks or similar, anything that wicks water and can often be picked up from aquarium shops, and these can be mounted in the large pores of the rocks with a bit of sphagnum moss. So to summarise, cold temperate Pinguicula prefer to be grown in an unheated greenhouse or outside in the UK year round. These plants could grow happily alongside other temperate carnivorous plants such as Sarracenia and Venus flytraps. Mexican Pinguicula, on the other hand, prefer to be in a more sheltered position inside on a east or west facing windowsill is desirable. The easiest way to propagate Mexican Pinguicula is through leaf pullings. This is a very simple process which literally means that you pull the leaf from the plant with the main white bit attached and lay it on some damp sphagnum moss or any other media. Eventually little plantlets will form at the base of the leaf here and eventually grow into a really nice clone of the plant that you've propagated it from. Cold temperate Pinguicula, on the other hand, can be propagated via gamiae or division. This gamiae is produced at the end of the season when your plant produces a hibernaculum. At the base of the hibernaculum we small little buds which can be plucked off and sewn onto your media. These little buds will wake up in the spring along with your adult plants and will form an exact little copy of the plants you see before you. Pinguicula are unusual and really rewarding to grow. They're perfect for a newcomer who would like to grow a carnivorous plant inside for the first time, especially on a windowsill amongst houseplants if you're wanting to get rid of little fruit flies. Otherwise, if you're looking to create your first bog planter and don't know where to start, then a cold temperate Pinguicula is perfect for this.